Chapter 4: Coastal Plains and Islands. Coastal Plains. India has a vast coastline of about 6,000 kilometers. The coastal plains of India extend from the western India to the eastern parts of the peninsular plateau region. The coastal plains have been divided into two parts, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains. The region extends from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the north. Its average width is around 100 to 120 kilometers. It has been divided into two parts, namely, the northern circus, northern part between Mahandi and Krishna rivers, and the Coromandel coast, southern part between Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Fishing is an important occupation in these areas, and there are also many seaside holiday resorts for tourists. The Krishna-Godavari Delta is known as the rice bowl of India. Life of people in the eastern coastal plains. The coastal region of West Bengal is very fertile. It is the delta of the river Ganga. Rice and jute grow in plenty in this region. Watered by the river Mahandi, Odisha is a fertile state. The Hirakud Dam is built on the river Mahandi. In Andhra Pradesh, the port at Vishakhapatnam is one of the most important ports in India and is famous for its shipbuilding yards. The coast of Tamil Nadu is known as the Coromandel coast. This fertile region is watered by river Kaveri. Chennai, its capital, is an important port city. Puducherry, an important union territory, lies in the coastal region. The western coastal plains. The average width of this region is around 50 to 100 kilometers. These plains stretch from Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. These plains cover the states of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. The western coastal plains are divided into three parts. The Gujarat coast lies towards the north. The Konkan coast is situated in the middle, while the Malabar coast lies in the south. It is easy to remember that the Konkan coast lies between Gujarat and Goa, and the Malabar coast lies between Goa and Kanyakumari. Mumbai, the biggest port in India, lies on the Konkan coast. Kandala, Mormugao, Panji, Kochi and Mangalore, now Mangaluru, are the other ports. Life of people in the western coastal plains. Gujarat lies on the western coast of India. Salt making is a large industry in Gujarat. Maharashtra occupies a portion of the Deccan Plateau. It is an important center for agriculture, business and industry. Large deposits of oil and gas have been found in the seabed near Mumbai. Goa is the smallest state of India by area. Located close to the Western Ghats, it is known for a wide variety of plants and animals. Though most of Karnataka lies in the Deccan Plateau, yet a part of it lies on the Konkan coast. Bangalore is its capital and Mangalore, now Mangaluru, is an important seaport. The state has an abundant hydroelectric power and extensive forests. It is also a chief source of silver, gold and coffee for India. Kerala lies in the Malabar coast. The state is known for its natural beauty, lush green forests and backwaters. It is home to the Anamudi Peak, the highest peak of peninsular India. Islands. A huge piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. The two groups of islands of our country are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of more than 570 islands. The Andaman lies towards the north and the Nicobar lies towards the south. The 10-degree channel separates these two groups of islands. Port Blair is the capital of these islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are covered with thick forests. Rice, coconut, coffee, and rubber are some crops that are grown here. Wood is also available on a large scale on these islands. The Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory consisting of 36 islands. This group of islands is located in the Arabian Sea, close to the Malabar coast. Its capital is Kavratti. The Lakshadweep is a set of beautiful coral islands. These islands are believed to have been formed by creatures that lived once upon a time. Coconut grows in plenty here, and there are many industries where coconut is used to make different products. Fishing is another important occupation in these islands.